This is our latest rescue. It's playful 6-month-old Dolly. Dolly was found as a 9-day-old kitten, abandoned. So she was fostered by our volunteers, bottle fed, and the poor thing had developed pneumonia, but she is completely healthy now. Joining her is Lake. Lake is 1 year old. He is super playful too. So I just got out this new toy. We had it put away. You know, sometimes we'll take new toys out and it becomes all new again. And look at them playing. Lake on the left, 1 year old, and 6-month-old Dolly. They're playing well and cooperating. Lake does like to wrestle a little bit, and Dolly isn't so sure about being tackled by Lake. Well, hey, thank you for watching both Lake and Dolly here at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. We are an all-volunteer, no-kill animal shelter, and we'd love for you to visit us and adopt a forever kitty. Have a fantastic day. Find us on Facebook, find us on YouTube, and please consider becoming a volunteer. We are 100% powered by volunteers.